Hi guys, hopefully this video is not interrupted, but our sentence this week is coming from our novel that we've been reading, Iceberg. And the sentence is, what a tragic end for that French ship. Alright, so let's just dig in right here. Let's look for things that are people, places, or things. So we're reading through the sentence. We know that a ship is definitely a thing, so that is a noun. There's not anything else that right off you can really tell that it's definitely a person, place, or a thing. So we're just going to move on from there. So let's look for a verb, which is action. End can sometimes kind of be an action, but we're going to talk about this in a second. And then there's not another one. Weird, right? All right, let's look for describing words, adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. The only one that I see right now is ship. So does French describe the ship? Yes, it does. So French is an adjective. But you can also tell that it is capitalized, and that is because it is talking about a culture of people. All right, so if we're looking here on the rest of the sentence, what a tragic end for that. We know that tragic is describing something, so we are going to label that as an adjective. All right, and then we have some other words here. We know that a is an article. A, and, or the are always articles. And then we have the word what, and, for, and that. For is one that has come up over and over and over again as a preposition. It's on our list of ones that we're just trying to remember. Preposition. So we have what, and that. That is an adverb, which is kind of describing the French ship. So remember, an adverb is describing something that's not a noun, and so it's kind of like referring to the other words that are before it, like French. And then the word what is one that is often used as an adverb as well. I know I'm not explaining it a lot. I'm just trying to end really quick before dismissal. But then we also have this word end right here. What I'm thinking in this situation, even though end can sometimes be an action, I think it is best as a noun in this sentence. And the reason why is because we have an article right here. And an article is usually before a noun. So tragic is describing the end. So that's a describing word. But so it's like an end. The article is connecting to this word right here. And so that's one of the hints that I got for myself, that I was like, oh, actually, I think in this case it's definitely a noun. So then let's look really quick. Oh, there's an exclamation at the end, so that means that this sentence is either going to be exclamatory or it's going to be a command, which is an imperative. It's not commanding anybody to do anything, so it's exclamatory. All right, and what is the subject of the sentence? It's actually the ship. So it's the ship, but what is the ship doing? You know, it's funny. There's not a predicate. There's not a verb. There's not an action. So we are going to put none. What does that mean about our sentence then? Well, it means that it's actually a fragment. It's not a complete sentence. And that is the first time we've ever had one, I believe. All right, that's it, guys. Have a great week.